Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change your email address on your Minecraft account. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. It could be on your computer or a phone, okay? Just go ahead and go to minecraft.net and hit on enter. Now wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead over to account. In here, make sure to sign in. Okay, go ahead and sign up with your Microsoft account. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead over to the left panel and click on account. Okay, as you can see here, you will need to be logged into your Microsoft account to be able to make changes on your Minecraft account. I'm going to just click on login at account.microsoft.com and wait for it to load. Now in here, go ahead over to the left panel and click on your info. Now in here, you just got to scroll all the way down until you find account info. Okay. Now go ahead and click on edit account info. Sign in. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, as you can see here, we'll be able to add another email. Okay. Now once you have added another email, go ahead and use that, and you can remove the primary email from here. Okay, just go ahead and click on add email, put that in here. Once done, delete the main one if you want to. If not, just leave it as is, and once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.